It's a windy day today. Like, do you hear it? It's crazy. It's really bad. There's a branch. There's a little branch over there. Now right here was a big dead branch, but it's shattered all over the place. There's a piece of it. Leaves, branches all over the place. It's crazy. Really crazy. There are some branches right there. Stick. Oh, tip, it's blown away. Look at that tree over there. Don't mind that, what I did. Oh, you hear that? It's over there. Yeah, like, look how big this is. You hear that howling? There's another dead stick. Right, there's a dead stick. Yeah. The one might get a little bit stronger later. Dead stick. And here's the dead stick. Ew, poison growing right there. Right here, it's a dead branch. Yeah, it's my favorite one. That, I don't get this, but like this branch, it's like cedar. So the wind was blew straight this way once in fall time. And I seen that this branch came over here, kept flying, and it landed right there. Yeah. These dead branches. Oh, it's crunchy. Was a dead stick? Those definitely came from the one section. I don't know if that's big in there. Look at that tree down here. Earlier, the same tree went like this. Oh, gee. But yeah, earlier my symmetry went like this. Snapped. They're doing good. Oh yeah. What was that? What was that? You hear that, right? I know I'm not hearing things, but did you hear that? There's a leaf right there, a leaf right there. Dog blue. Branch right there. Clubhouse. Yeah. Dead branch. It's not even over yet. It's still going. Dude, look at that tree down there. Okay, it's crazy.